Alright, so the first thing that we have to do to build our store is creating our domain. But before we decide the name of the store, before we creating the domain, we need to choose what kind of store we want to have. By the way, I already have a video talking about it, all the different kinds of store, but that's alright, I'm gonna summarize to you. But later, I recommend to you to watch that video as well. After you finish this video, go and check it out. So we have 4 different kinds of stores. We have the niche store, we have the general store, the seasonal store, and also the one product store. A niche store is a store that has only one kind of product. For example, if you have a store in the niche of fashion, you're only gonna have products about fashion. So you're gonna have clothes there. So you're gonna have products only about that niche. A general store is the opposite. You can have any kind of product in that store. So you can sell this globe, you can sell computer accessories, you can sell clothes, you can sell, for example, this cap. Anyway, you can sell any kind of product. It's a general store. A seasonal niche store is a store that you use only for at a time of the year. For example, you can create a store for Christmas. You're gonna have products about Christmas there, and you're only gonna use that store at Christmas. And you have the one product store. One product store, as the name says, is a store that you're gonna sell only one product. For example, if you wanna sell this globe, you're gonna create a store just for this globe. It can be like a landing page, or you can create even on Shopify a page just for this globe. So those are the different kinds of store. As I said before, I have already a video talking about all of them. I have a lot more details, the advantages and disadvantages of all these kinds of store. So I recommend to you, after watching this video, go and check it out. For this video, I decided to create a niche store for watches. Okay, so I'm gonna be selling watches in this store. And after I choose the niche, after I choose the kind of store, I'm gonna be choosing the name. And for this video, I chose the name Chronovas. So I'm gonna write here Chronovas. And the tips for you to choose the name of your store is choose a name that is short. You don't need to choose a name that is too long. The shorter the name is, it's easier for your customer to remember about you, and also the name must be easy to remember. Avoid creating names that are too hard for your customer to type and to remember. And also the name of your store must be related to the niche of your store. And to choose the name, I have some tips for you as well. So you can use ChatGPT to try to find a good name. So you're gonna be asking for options, you're gonna be talking to ChatGPT, and then it's gonna help you out. So for example, I use ChatGPT to help me out to create the name for my watch store. I asked for 10 options of names with Chronos in it. And it gave me a lot of options, and some of them was something like Chronovos or Chronova. So I just added a Z because I think it got more stylish. Then I used ChatGPT to help me out with it, so I just changed it a bit to make it better. And this is how I got this name for my store in this video. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 names with Chronos in it. And then it gave me some options and I chose the best one and just changed some stuff in it. And also you can get like your family, your friends, and try to have some suggestions about names and choose the best one and see, of course, if the domain is available. For this store here, as we can see, I chose Chronovas. So I'm gonna search domains. So as we can see, we have the .com option here available. So I'm gonna choosing this option here. And by the way, what kind of domains should I choose? I recommend to you .com. Do not choose .store, .online, or any other option. The best option for your domain is always .com. But the name that I chose, I don't have the .com option available. Then choose another name. Okay, so I chose chronovas.com, it's available. So I'm gonna click on add to cart, and then I can click on continue. Alright, so in this part right here, they are gonna offer us complete domain protection. We don't need it. So we can go here and choose the option no domain protection, okay? And we're not gonna be using the professional email from GoDaddy. The Google's professional email is a lot better than this one. It's a lot more stable, okay? So I recommend to you using the Google's one. So here we can choose no next time, and we can continue to shopping cart. Yeah, and in this part right here, they're gonna be offering us 3 years of the domain. We can change that to 1 year. So we just click here in this part and choose 1 year. Complete domain protection, we don't need it. And the professional email, we're not gonna purchase it here. So we can just go and ready to pay. click here, ready to pay. Yeah, we're gonna be needing to create an account here. I'm gonna be using Google for that, or you can use your email. In this situation here, I'm gonna be using Google, but it's up to you. So I'm gonna click here on continue with Google. All right, so we are here in the checkout part. So we're gonna need to put our name here, our address, our payment method. Anyway, I'm gonna ask for the editor to remove this part of this video, and then I'm gonna be filling all those information and pay for the domain. So I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so I just need now to click on complete purchase. So I finished my order. So I'm gonna be paying it now, and then I'm gonna have my domain. So subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos, and I see you later. Bye.